Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So we were discussing about the fdisk, creating a disk and attaching to the system. So first we will list lsblk disk block device. There is no new disk, so we'll add a new disk to a system. Setting, storage, controller, add a disk. We'll see our disk is there or not. 2 GB wala which we have created in last video. Okay, it's there. We have attached it again. Done. We'll move to our screen. Boom, SDB is showing here. So why I am doing this activity again, to clear this thing furthermore. So how we will denote it? SD dev SDB. Okay, it will show nothing is created. There's simple disk SDB. So what we'll do? First we'll take help. So what we are having? Delete a partition, create a new partition, GPT partition type, list the non-partition type. Okay, print this menu. If you add a new partition, create a new DOS, print the partition table, quit without saying, create a new empty sun label disk. Okay, changes a partition ID. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll press N. So here we are getting primary and extended. Okay, so in previous video what we have did, default is primary. Okay, we'll enter, and partition table partition number will be 1. Okay, first sector will enter like this. Second sector, like end sector, what we'll do, plus 1G. Part inside is 1 GB. Okay, ठीक we'll do print. We got created here. Okay, now if you want to do again and create a partition, we'll do N. Now it's asking primary or extended. Let's see extended. Okay, partition number 2 by default. First sector, last sector. Okay, done. P, print. So what it got? /dev sdb1 /dev sdb2. But this ID is different. It's showing extended. Okay. So what this means? So by default, if you create a primary partition, so you can create only 4 partition, like it's showing 1 and 3 is free. And if you see here, when we did, it's showing one as used as SDB1 and one as consumed as SDB2. Okay, but in SDB3, if we create a partition in extended, it will not count it here. Again, I will press N. It will show one primary, one extended, 2 free. Correct? Logical number from 5. So what is the logical? So this is the physical disk SDB. Under this we have created SDB1 as a primary partition and SDB2 as a extended. In extended I can create a logical partition. Okay, so 1 to 4 is assigned to this primary because 1 is created, 2, 3 and 4. So it will get logical partition, will get number 5. So what we'll do, select P, default primary is there but I will use L, logical. Okay, it's saying first sector and I will do plus 500 MB. Okay, we'll do print. So what it's showing, you are having a disk SDB1 which is having file system type Linux 83, SDB2 which is having the extended file system. Under SDB2 SDB5 got created. Okay, but still there are some space available in SDB2, so I will do again N. So it will ask primary, extended. Okay, primary I can't create because I have already consumed the complete disk. Okay, if I press A, partition number 3, no free sector available, so I can create only logical partition. Okay, first sector and sector complete disk I have used. We'll do P, SDB1 to extended. Under this extended we are having SDB5 and SDB6. We have print this thing. Now I will do T. Okay, partition table which you want to do. I will take 6. List the hexa code. Now what we are having, we used to create Linux 83, but I told you we are having LVM 8E and 82 as a swap. Currently I am not changing anything. We'll run like this. So we'll press M, unknown code is came out. Okay, then we'll do print. So I will press W to write. Okay, so if we do fdisk -l /dev sdb, sorry, sdb. So what is STB? STB is the size of 2 GB, which is having sectors like this. On a first SDB1, start from this and that. Then we are having second partition as extended. Under that extended, we are having SDB5 and SDB6. So it is showing Linux, it is showing empty. Why? Because we've tried to change 6 and we came without changing anything. So it has accepted as an empty. Okay, fine, fair enough. So after creating a file system, you have to format it. mkfs dot xfs /dev sdb. So how many partitions you are having? 1 /dev sdb 2. Okay, we will do copy paste. sdb 3 we are not having. 5. So it's showing device name is square. Okay, sdb1 is already created. sdb2, 5 and 6. Okay, so lsblk is showing SDB is having this much partition. 1 is 1 GB, 2 is 1K because it's extended, 5 is 500 MB, 6 is remaining 615 MB. Okay, now post formation, what we'll do, mount. To mount /dev sdb5 on data disk to partition 1, and then what we'll do, mount /dev sdb6. Okay, space, I forgot to enter space here. Okay, that will mount in /disk to partition 2 lsblk showing here, dff1h showing here. So we have created an extended partition SDB5 and 6, but if you use, there's no difference in that. So why we are having primary and extended? We'll cover that thing in the next coming videos, because for that I need to tell you the complete story of booting process. Okay, why we are having extended. But I will tell you one thing, fdisk -l/sdb. Okay, so if you see SDB starting from 2048 and ending on 209919, post that this one is starting, which is having 209920 and 4489379, correct? But if you see, it started here and it's ended here, this 4489379 448739. Okay, so why we are having, because entire thing is saved in this. Okay, and we have created a logical partition into this. So as of now our MBR is like that, our file system or our OS is like that, we can create only 4 partitions, that is called four primary partitions. And if you want more than 4 partition, you have to create a extended. Okay, under extended we'll say create a logical partition. I will cover this topic in the next coming videos. This is the additional information which I want to give you, that if you create a extended or if you create a primary partition, as end user there is no difference. Okay, practice this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.